Hello everyone, welcome to iMobi support channel. This video will demonstrate how to set the motion blur effect of FocuSee. First, please record a video with FocuSee. Once the recording process is completed, you will enter the recording editing interface of FocuSee. Next, click the Animations button to enter the motion blur effect interface. FocuSee provides three types of motion blur effects: zoom-in motion blur, screen motion blur and cursor motion blur. The motion blur effect is automatically enabled and will be applied to the videos you record. The degree of motion blur effect is automatically set as 50. You can also customize the degree of the motion blur effect. To show the effect, I will demonstrate it for you. First, I set the degree of motion blur as 0, please refer to the video applied. Then, I just set the degree of motion blur as 100, please refer to the video applied again. You can feel the differences between these two degrees obviously. Generally speaking, the larger the motion blur value, the stronger the sense of motion in the video will be, giving the audience a stronger visual impact and sense of immersion. You can also click on the Reset button to restore the degree to the original defaults. If you do not want the motion blur effect to appear in your videos, you can turn it off with a single click.